Hey everyone, John from Chippernut here. I just wanted to share with you some testing that I've been doing on this transistor. First I want to apologize for the background noise. My super old oscilloscope is super loud, so just bear with me. I'll try to enunciate and speak loudly. First I wanted to thank some people from the forums, notably Brian and then the gentleman from the Triumph forums. I've been having some comments regarding this transistor wiring in the first version of the shift light. People are saying you're wiring it wrong, yet it's working. So when I undertook the development of version 2, I did some testing. I tried different transistors, I tried different resistor configurations, and all the while I was probing it with my oscilloscope, and I just wasn't getting a clean signal. So you'll notice right now it's wired up in the stock configuration. I apologize for my breadboard. I'm knee-deep in the development of V2. I know what this all means. So you'll notice here's my signal coming off that and going into the Arduino, and if I amplify this, you'll see I'm getting a prominent spike, and it's really dirty. That's likely what's tripping the input pin on the Arduino, and in some circumstances the signal conditions from the car or the motorcycle must be just enough that's really enough signal to trip the Arduino and register a signal. But I wanted to point something else out. You'll notice the shift light's not working right now. That's because the probe from the oscilloscope is enough to sink that minuscule little current and actually stop its operation. So I want to show you what happens when I take the wonderful advice offered to me and I move the emitter pin from ground to 5 volts. So let's go ahead and move this. Alright, you'll notice now it's working, and we have got a really clean 5-volt square wave. So that's really good news. It seems so ridiculously simple. That's why it's important to have a second set of eyes on these things, because you stare at something so long, you start to go crazy thinking you're doing it right, and you try other things, you're like, I don't understand what's going on here. And simple little things like that can make a huge difference. So, yeah, I wanted to thank everybody again for contributing in the forums. I mean, obviously it's making really good improvements to the shift light. So, thanks again, and stay tuned. Version 2 will be coming out shortly, and we've got some really cool things. Thanks.